Good evening, students. 100 minus 30 plus 50. 30 plus 50, 80. 100 minus 80, 20. Wrong way. Wrong way. Wrong answer. 100 plus 50 addition is the right way. 100 plus 50, 150 minus 30. 150 minus 30 equal to 120 is the correct answer. Correct answer. Students, okay. Add positive and positive numbers only. Minus 30 subtraction only. Minus 30 subtraction only. Okay, students. Root 20 plus root 10. Root of 20 plus 10. Root of 30. Wrong answer. What is the correct answer? Root 20 split into root 2 into root 10. Root 2 into root 10 plus root 10 equal to root 10 common. Root 10 common means root 2 plus 1. This is the correct answer. Root 10 into root 2 plus 1 is the correct answer, students. Root of 20 plus 10. Root of 20 plus 10, root 30 is the wrong answer. Root 22 minus root 11. Root of 22 minus 11. Root 11 is the wrong answer. Students, don't subtract directly. Root 22 minus root 11. Don't subtract directly. The correct answer is root 2 into root 11. Root 22 value, root 2 into root 11. Minus root 11 is there. Root 11 is taken as common. Root 2 minus 1. Root 22 minus root 11 value is, correct answer is, right answer is root 11 into root 2 minus 1. Okay, students, please like, share, subscribe my mathematics channel. Thank you, students.